let's get started. So first, we have some glue, some scent, a bowl, a mixing tool, some foam beads activator, and a container. Well, I'm going to put it in there. Some clay, food coloring. Got this little shell thing. Oh, there's like a little mermaid inside. Put that there. And we have these pigments and that pearl. And one more food coloring. Let's get started. So first we're gonna pour our glue into this little over here. It's coming a very slow pigment. Oh, this is very pretty in there. Let's mix that in. I think we had too much pigment. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue. This slime kit I've been wanting for a lot of days now, but now we finally got it. Oh, it's mixing very prettily. Chunks are gone. I'm gonna add some pearls to it. It's also in the block. Pearls. I think that's enough. Mix it in. Do you think I should add some foam beads? I don't know. It's very pretty. Let's add some activator. You can add some more things when it's done. I think I put enough out of activator. You can already see it coming together. It starts pulling away from the bowl. That means it's coming together, see? Does not look very good, but we're just gonna see what's it. It's a little sticky. I think I overactivated it. Let's get it out of the bowl. Did I overactivate it? Yeah, see if I can get a little more, Let's get all of that away from the bowl. It actually turned out pretty good. I'm gonna add some glue to it, just a little. That's enough. Let's add it. I'm gonna mix it in. The pearls are very thick. It makes your slime very thick. See? Let's just try adding glue and glue and glue until it gets better. All the pearls are, flying out. That is a slime. It's very hard to stretch. Let's add some glue. Here. Flatten it out. That's enough. Close it up. Let's mix. Oh, it's getting a little stuck here. Oh, I see the glue. I don't know if it's getting better. It's very hard. But yeah, as you can see, let's add like a little glue. That's a lot. We must have added a lot of activator. See if it like makes it a little better. Or we might add some like, you know, this. I should have added foam beads, but like, it's fine, it's too late. Let's get some, you know, more of the slime that's in here. This slime is not that bad, but like, at least it's better than before. I think I just need to keep adding some more glue. This kit at Amazon, it is actually very good, but like, you know, just add the right things and like, don't add too much activator like how I did. People might not be testing this out, but I'm testing it out for you guys. So it might make it a little easier. I recommend it. It's very good, but like, just don't add too much activator. It's very like deactivated. No, very activated. I mean, it got a little better as you can see. But they're still rippy. Like, I guess its slime is getting a little better, as you can see. Just the pearls are making it very hard. Don't add too many pearls like how I did. I'm taking some out because and they kind of fall out easily. The bowl is pretty tiny, so like you can't add that much. And like this, and looking like 3 slimes. I don't know if you like big ones, but if you like take it step by step, it's fine. And I want to add some scent because I haven't smelled it yet. And I want to see if it has a smell. It's enough. I don't know. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let's try like, just make the heart slime a little stiffer. Like, see how it's light in the inside, like in the outside? See how dark it is in? That is very dark. I think it's because of the pigment. Should we add some clay? I think we should add a little bit. Open this up. It's a little hard to open. Just gonna add a little bit because it's like a little slime. Oh, that's hard. It is hard. It's not really mixing in really well. Like as you can see, it's not really really good. Like, the clay's good. I mean, well, it could go so long. But the beads keep falling out. This would be a very good slime if I didn't overactivate it. Don't overact your slimes. It's a pain. Unless you have like the good equipment. I don't, because like, didn't really give me much. But like, you can add lotion or stuff like that. That's what I know. I'm just gonna marble it. Like, you see how it's kind of marbled? If this would stretch, it would be better. But like, I don't know why I did that. Here. Let's just go like that. Spiral it. We're gonna put in the shell. Right there. And that is the final touch. You like my slime? Watching my videos, and I hope you have a great weekend. thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!